Most people assume investing requires hours of research. But here's the surprising truth. Robo-advisors like Fidelity Go can manage your portfolio automatically with minimal effort. Fidelity Go is a digital investment service that builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you. After answering a few questions about your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline, the platform recommends a mix of Fidelity mutual funds. One major benefit is simplicity. You don't need to pick individual stocks or funds. Fidelity Go handles everything, including rebalancing your portfolio to maintain your target allocation. This makes it ideal for beginners or busy investors. Most people get this wrong by assuming robo-advisors are expensive. Fidelity Go charges a modest management fee of 0.35% per year for accounts under $10,000 and free for larger balances. That's lower than many traditional financial advisors. The app also provides clear performance tracking, letting you see how your investments grow over time. Withdrawals and deposits are easy, and there are no hidden fees for transfers within Fidelity accounts. However, it's not perfect. You can't customize investments beyond what the platform recommends. If you want full control or want to trade individual stocks, Fidelity Go may feel limiting. Additionally, returns depend on market performance, so there is always risk. In conclusion, Fidelity Go is a solid choice for beginners or anyone who wants a hands-off investing approach. It combines automation, low fees, and simplicity, making it a practical alternative to traditional investing methods. Subscribe for more honest robo-advisor and investing reviews before you commit your money.